Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. I'm at first semester. We will discuss the topic curriculum decision making or levels of curriculum decision. Nature of curriculum. Curriculum, what is taught to students, including planned and unplanned informations, skills and attitudes are known as curriculums. Nature of curriculum, according to Clance 1991, categorize these in deciding what can and should be selected in given solutions in curriculum decisions: contents, purpose, goal and objectives, material and resources, activities and teaching strategies, evaluations, grouping, time and space. Contents come from the disciplines or other organizing bodies of knowledge and can take several forms such as facts, concepts and generalization. Second point, goals, objectives and purpose are levels applied to the result of students participants in purposeful learning objectives. Goals referring to general learning outcomes and objectives referring to specific learning objects. Purpose, eventual outcomes of learning that result from work in a curriculum over a period of time are commonly called purpose of education. Materials and resources includes the objectives, places and pupil used to facilitate the learning process, the tools used with student and assist learning, activities and teaching strategies are way in some students becomes involved in learning and curriculums. Next, activities can be passive or active, self-directed or teacher-directed. Next, teaching strategies describes teachers' roles within activities that help students meet the learning outcomes. Evaluations, it includes the procedures for determining degree of students' learning as well as methods of analyzing and interpreting results. Program evaluation focuses on determining how well the curriculum works. Grouping, time and space are all important issue in the use of curriculum in classrooms. Grouping refers to the clustering of students for particular experience, either by grade, by experimental backgrounds or by ability level. Time is a limited resources where allocations are made by groups outside as well as inside the school setting. Space refers to the decision and use of schools and classroom, physical work and play area. Additions, decision also have a values dimensions. Curriculum decisions are made on the basis of pupil values and beliefs. Okay, thank you.